Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something that either saves us time, makes us more money, or helps us just have more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
This is a great tool that we use, and maybe we've done this already as well. But we use this. I use this literally every day, not only with my media team, but also how I communicate with our agents, clients, kind of a little bit of everything. And this is utilizing Dropbox. I personally like Dropbox better than Google Drive or things like WeSendIt. I like the structure of it. I even have the ability set up to where I have it on my phone to where every time I take a picture, it'll automatically upload to Dropbox, which saves on my computer. So I have it all in one spot, or actually all in multiple spots. But this has massively increased our ability to share projects with each other. It's how I deliver photos and videos to our agents. Dropbox is a game changer. I think I pay $10 a month for the 2 terabytes of storage, something like that. Probably I'm getting close to that limit. So I need to clean some stuff off and maybe pay for the new one. But Dropbox is massive, massive, massive for our media team business, my photography business, and even just my personal photos. So I have them backed up.
Cool. I'm going to roll into one. Hopefully we haven't done this before, but maybe we have because we've done like over 100 episodes of the show, which means we've done over 200 of these widgets of the week. But one thing that is coming back extremely strong right now is events. I'm flying out to my first big conference. Well, I don't know if it's big, but first live in-person conference in Texas tomorrow. And I think events are going to be massive on the back end of COVID. I think you're going to see more demand for events than you've ever seen before because everybody has been kind of locked down for the last year plus. And people want to get out and go to events. And so if you want to run your own events, you're going to need a good software to help you run those events. The one that we like a lot is called Eventbrite. Brite is Brite, eventbrite.com, and they have an app. It is a fantastic software. If you're running free events, it is completely free to use, which is really cool. It's very, very easy to use. It's totally free, and it can help you look like a badass when you're running events because it comes across very, very professionally. You've probably interacted with Eventbrite at some point in your life because a lot of big corporations use Eventbrite as well. It also has the app for when you have the event and people are showing up and you can check people in, and that can trigger automations on the back end and sync up with Zapier, which is another widget we've shared in the past, and you could have all kinds of automations fire off, put people into your CRM and all kinds of really cool stuff. So if you are looking to host events on the back end of COVID, eventbrite.com is going to be the system that you want to use.
Cool.
With that said, I hope you got massive value out of the show today. Hit us up again on thewhisselway.com with questions you have for us on future episodes of the show. With that said, thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.